Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe to Smart Home Energy Savings via Duke Energy Programs, detailed guide step by step clearly. Look for the Energy Efficiency section on the home page. Click on it to explore the available programs. Scroll through the options until you find Smart Home Energy Savings. Click on the link for more details. On the program page, read the eligibility requirements carefully. If you meet the requirements, locate the Sign Up button. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You may need to create an account if you do not have one. Fill in the required information to create your account. Once your account is set up, log in using your credentials. After logging in, return to the Smart Home Energy Savings Program page. Click on the subscription link or button. Follow the on-screen prompts to complete the subscription process. You may need to provide additional information about your home and energy usage. Make sure to review your information before submitting. Once you have submitted your subscription, you will receive a confirmation email. Check your email to confirm your subscription and find further instructions. Keep an eye on your account for updates about the program. Now you are all set to take advantage of the Smart Home Energy Savings Program. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.